All aboard on the glass-bottom boat. That's the greatest show that was ever afloat. Take a ride on the tide with the guide and see the way out wonders of the deep blue sea. The deep blue sea, the deep blue sea. There's a lot to see in the deep blue sea. The sailfish sail and the blowfish blow. Cockles and mussels alive, alive, oh, with the hermit crab. He lives alone. You can't even get him on a telephone.
The halibut's eyes turn up and in. He don't know where he's going, but he knows where he's been.
Well, the deep blue sea.
You'll stay like that.
The deep blue sea. The glass-bottom boat, you will agree, will show you the magic of the deep blue sea. Spiny crabs and whitefish, too. They'll all be there. What a hullabaloo.
With so many fish upon the scene, there's hardly room for a fat sardine.
Well, the deep blue sea, the deep blue sea. There's a lot going on in the deep blue sea.
On the glass-bottom boat is great.
I'm the captain.
You can use a mate.
Speak for yourself, little Jenny girl. The turtle is slow, but not so dumb. He carries his own condominium.
The Blue Point oyster was caught with the coil. He swore he didn't even know the...
Ah, the deep blue sea, the deep blue sea. There's a lot to see in the deep blue sea. The glass-bottom boat, you will agree, will show you the magic of the deep blue sea. Oh, come along on the big clam bake and watch that swordfish cut the cake.
How when the barracuda makes the scene, the jellyfish shivers like a tambourine.
Flying fish is an awful hammock, deep point land in a frying pan.
The porpoise has the most horsepower, the whale's the one with the built-in shower.
Starfish, tuna and sole, abalone and casserole, giant, kelp, Harley Quinn.
That's beautiful. It's just beautiful.
So fast.
You asked for it.
You win.
You wanted to do it.
More.
Me. When I was just a little girl, I asked my father, what should I be? Should I be reckless? Should I be shy? Here's what he said to me.
Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera.
Give us a little thing on the end.